Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 20 Pro and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital balance. Let's tap on it. Let's tap on start. Okay. And as you can see right here, we've got the screen time and the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it was 1 hour. It is 1 hour and 9 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings because 40 minutes, and then Chrome, keyboard, and the others. We can tap on it. We will be transferred to this dashboard where we can check some further details. So, for example, compare everything, compare each day from the past 7 days, from the past week, the app usage, the unlocks, total extension time, etc. The same situation with today. We've got also the unlocks option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.